Can you invest in ICICI multi-asset allocation fund? So the name itself says it's a multi-asset allocation fund. So just look at let's explore. It's a kind of a review. Let's look at it at this fund and why you can consider investing in this fund maybe in the coming now and all, maybe SIP or lump sum. So let's look at this fund. This is from ICICI Fund House, ICICI Prudential Multi-Asset Allocation Fund. Let's look at that fund right now. I'm just going to share the screen, show the money control website, right? So this is where you can start looking at ICICI Prudential Multi Asset Allocation Fund. This is fund is all. Why this is specific? Why I'm specifically taking is that just look at it as an equity portion, debt portion, and others. This is a unique feature with respect to this fund. And if you look at equity, it has an option of F&O holdings, foreign equity holdings, and comprising everything put together, they have a total. So there is a possibility they can invest anywhere. That is the beauty of this particular fund. And just look at the debt portion also. The treasury bills, the commercial papers and NCDs and bonds. This itself is coming around 7% and others. And this is a unique feature I can say. The commodity gold futures, they can invest in gold. That is the reason it is called as multi-asset allocation. And let's just look at the margin. They have MF units. They invested in MF units. TREPS, it's a tri-party safer repo rate related product, and it's completely safe, and they had invested something in that as well. And India Infrastructure Trust, based on the infrastructure they invested in the last almost like close to 2% they had invested in that, and net receivables is this much. So what it says is that it's a multi-asset allocation. They have equity, debt, gold, and MF. So all these says that it is purely multi-asset allocation right now. And based on the change in the situation, change in the equity market, change in the gold market, they will increase or decrease. That is the beauty of this particular fund. When you take it to when you take any other asset on any other particular equity fund, they will stick to their goal. Either if it is a large cap, they'll invest only in large cap. If they're mid cap, they'll invest only in mid cap. But here you have a mix and match of everything. All the stocks is mentioned here. You can check out the stock holding in the equity portion. Let's look at the returns of this particular fund. So returns also has been staggering because they are doing a multi-asset allocation. The diversification comes in because generally, as an investor, I will say to my clients and some of the people that you should diversify your investments in multiple asset allocation, not stick to some particular fund alone. So if you look at this particular fund is having diversified into gold, debt, and equity, and that has been taken care by a fund manager. And what you need to do is just look at the annualized returns last 1 year. With diversified, they were able to show 60%, and just since inception, more than 10 years, it is showing 20% returns. I think October 2, it means almost like 18 years. And just look at the 10-year returns, it's 11.65, which is really considerably good because it's not, and almost they are the top performer for the 5 years, 10 years. This particular fund category, I think many of the people have started posting, started creating access, and other people, they started launching the multiple asset allocation fund. So this is something you can also consider of investing a portion, not entire stuff. Don't put entire money, as I always say. Invest a portion in multiple asset allocation fund, which will help you to grow your money over a period of time in a safer way. Because at times of crisis, like when the market ranks or whatever, because as they invest in multiple assets, equity, debt, as well as gold, they will be able to shift, they will be able to change, they will be able to assess more than what as a retail investor do. These people can do, and this is in market from 2002. They changed the name, I think so. This is what the multiple asset allocation do. So this is something good which you can also start. It will be considered as an equity, and you can start investing in one of this one. And why this is more important right now is that why you can consider investing right now is that right now the market is almost like volatile. The valuation is very very high, and during these kind of scenarios, we never know whether should I invest a lump sum, should I start an SIP, all these things. So better thing is just look at this fund, and it is already diversified. So you can look at starting an SIP or starting a long term point of view. And this is particularly different from balanced advantage fund, because balanced advantage fund has a different, has been between equity and debt alone. The balance is created. Whereas this fund, this multiple asset allocation fund, it's totally different. This multiple asset allocation is among the other asset classes, and that is the reason it is called as ICICI multi asset allocation fund. So the name signifies. So diversify yourself by investing in this fund. If you have any doubts with respect to this fund, and the asset, if you look at the expense ratio, it is also less than 2. So you can consider investing a portion in this fund also. That's it. Thank you so much. Please do your own analysis. The analysis, that is why I showed you the Money Control website. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with your friends and click the subscriber button if you're not yet done so. Thank you so much.